Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and sound. Today I'm going to show you how to make a QR code generator using Kodular. For the first, click on create project button and type in QR code generator. Right. Click on next and click on finish. Please wait till the project opens. Once you have created a project, you will come to a similar interface. So now in this project, you will be having four components. One is a text box, another is a button, an image component, and another is a QR code component. So we have to make a QR code on the text what we input. So we need a text box. Scroll down a bit, get a component named text box, drag and drop it to the screen. Set the width, fill parent, I'll go for the height 200, and then we need a button. So when you click on the button, you can generate the QR code. Drag and drop the button onto the screen. Go for the width, fill parent. Scroll down a bit, you'll get a section named text box. Remove the text from there and type in generate QR code. Now we need to show the QR code that we generated. So for that, we need an image component. Drag and drop the image component on the screen. I will go for the height 200 and width 200. Okay, so now then we need a QR code component to generate the QR code in the background. So I'll drag and drop it to the screen. So by this much we have finished the designing work. In the next part of the video I'm going to show you how to program it. In this part of the video I'm going to show you how to program the app. For that, click on the blocks, scroll down a bit, click on button 1. You will get an argument when button 1 click to drag and drop it onto the screen. Click on QR code 1 and click and you get an argument saying set QR code 1 dot text to. So the text is saved in text box 1, so we need to get the text to this variable. So for that, click on text box 1, scroll down a bit, you'll get an argument textbox1 dot text. Drag and drop it onto the screen. And now we need to generate the QR code. So click on QR code 1. You'll get an argument say call generate QR code. Drag and drop it here. So by this much, we can generate the QR code. So now we have to show the QR code to the user. So for that, click on QR code 1 again. You'll get an argument when QR code 1 got response. Drag and drop it onto the screen. Now click on image 1. You get an argument says that set image 1 picture 2. Drag and drop it onto the screen. Now we have to set the picture to the QR code. So get URL. By this much of the code, we can generate a QR code. We can make the app more interesting by allowing the user to download the QR code that they generated. For that, click on the designer component. Go to the connectivity section and you will get a component called download. Now drag and drop it to the screen. So now we need a button. So when they click on the button, it will download the QR code for them. So go to click on user interface and drag and drop a button to the screen. Scroll down a bit. I set the weight to fill parent and text to download QR code. So okay, then click on the blocks section. Scroll down a bit. You get click on the download component. Scroll down a bit. Now you get an argument set download URL to drag and drop it to the screen. And we need to get the variable get URL. So now click on button 2. Our button 2 is the download button. So you get an argument say when button 2 click, drag and drop it to the screen. Now we'll get I'll go to download again. We'll say call download. By this much of the code, the user can generate the QR code as well, download the QR code. Let me show you. It is the time for testing the app. So click on the scan QR code button. Wait for some time until the companion connects to the Kodular servers. As you can see in my screen, this is a text box. Let me enter some text like hi, how are you? I click on generate QR code. Now a QR code is generated for this text. Now if the user wants to download the QR code, click on the download QR code button. So my QR code is downloaded.